In this tutorial, we're going to talk about some of the basic differences between pattern and song mode again. We've touched on these differences just a little bit in the introductory of this video, but I want to go over these again and kind of do a comparison of some of the main elements that make pattern mode different from song mode, and also some of the main jobs that you're going to be working with different from song mode. In song mode, you'll notice, as I said before, it's a linear type recording of 16 tracks that you can work with start to finish of the entire song. When we go over to pattern mode, again, these are going to be loops that you're going to trigger, and you can have up to several loops inside of a pattern that can be stored in what's called a section, and we'll trigger these with buttons over here on the right. But these patterns and loops are essential to pattern mode. It's how you link these together and create these and trigger these that you will be creating your song in pattern mode. And there's a couple tabs here that are very important that appear. Whenever you're in song mode, you don't have these two tabs, but in pattern mode, down here on the right, you're going to see a patch and you're going to see a remix tab. The patch tab, let's go ahead and click on this. This is where you're going to assign these individual patches that either you record or that you have previously recorded, or in some cases it can be some default phrases that can be assigned inside pattern mode that are already loaded into your ES. Also, there's some of these phrases that can be loaded from a CD-ROM that was included with ES when you did your purchase. Another section that's also important is the remix section, and let's go ahead and click on F5 to go to the remix section. You'll notice now it says no data, and you have to have a phrase actually loaded in there. I can go ahead and dial in any of the drum phrases and then press remix. And this is where you're going to go in and you can apply certain style changes that's going to more or less shuffle the beat or the note placements and feel of an entire phrase of recorded notes. And the ES does this all internally in real time. And it's a very useful feature. These are the two main features in pattern mode that I wanted to point out that make them very different from song mode. Essentially, those are really some of the only main features as far as control wise and job wise that you're going to use that are differently. Also, you have the buttons that you'll trigger these patterns from over here on the right. This is going to be your workflow. But as far as the jobs, the recording process, the edits, the mixing of adding in your own sounds, copying over performances, all of this is the same in pattern mode. So I don't want you to be confused with this.